past few days since I resigned from NPC. Gives me a smile. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, mag-ano ko ba? Kasi narinig ko, nasusuportahan ka talaga ng kapatid mo. Tapos, yung sabi nga nila, yung style ni Barack Obama, yun yung i-aadap na. No? Nakikita kasi marami niyang mga voters na online. So, gusto ko lang sa'yo, ano ba ang pinagkaiba? Ano yung similarity mo kay Barack Obama? Thank you for you.
Without taking anything away from him, sorry, without diminishing his capabilities, if he's good for the States, sana maghanap naman tayo ng atin. Diba? Superman ka mo. Kung Amerika may Superman, may Captain Marvel naman tayo. Kung Amerika may Wonder Woman, may Darna naman tayo. Hindi ko sinasabing ambition ko maging si Darna. Wala ko makaharap sa ganun. But I mean, yung atin naman, without comparing
Captain
us...
Marvel.
Hindi. Oh, pero, again, without taking anything away from him, it's an honor to be compared to him by some people, but hanap naman tayo ng atin. Hindi man yung ikaw mismo, sana Noypi naman. Wala ba tayong Pilipinong may isip na ikaw yung wag si Rizal, binaril yun eh. Wag din si Bonifacio, binaril din yun eh.
Si Ninoy din, binaril eh.
Binaril din yun. Ikaw yung ganyan ng Pilipinas. I often say, by way of joke, Barack Obama, only from the waist down. I wish. Wish and wish. I wish. Really, actually,
Question. Si Jonas, finally may tanong.
Bakit pag nasa politika, monotone ka, pero dito normal ka magsalita?
Simple. Kasi seryoso mga bagay yung pinag-uusapan natin. Pansin mo, pinag-uusapan natin. Nung pinag-uusapan natin to, if you review the film, monotone yan. Pero pag tungkol sa akin, hindi naman tungkol sa gobyerno, ako lang naman yun eh. Because that's who I really am. But if you're talking about something serious, I don't think it's something that you should play around with different tones, be conscious about it, and simply say what you mean. Second, as a young member of the Senate, or as a young politician, we have to grapple with that. I cannot afford to crack a joke about a serious matter of state. And really, and Joker Arroyo can, and you won't hear anything bad from other people, even if they do. But if I crack a joke about something that's serious, that is a serious, something of serious national concern, I will never be forgiven for it, and I will never be able to get away with it. And they will always say, tama, sabi sa'yo, bata yan eh. Tama, pati ito, pinabadaan lang sa joke-joke. And somehow, it has become really a habit, a practice. I wish I could change it. Kaya lang, sanay na eh.
Matanda ka.